Hey everyone, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, but first, I want to say happy Thanksgiving. It's the holidays, guys, and look at this beauty right here. I am about to install that wig that I posted, that video I posted right before this one. Look at this beauty, she's gorgeous. So it's just to watch me work. I hope everyone's enjoying their holiday, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch this and leave it and leave a need for effort if you like this video. And if you're interested in getting one of these units, just hit me up in the and I will surely handle it for you. So guys, this hair is very top quality and you guys are going to love this. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll be back at the end to fare you guys well. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to like and share this video. Oh, I've almost forgot. And if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-to tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now, do you guys see how I install this unit? It's down to her very scalp, guys. There's no movement inside, and she's good to go. And this install will last her for a very long time. Look at that melt. Let's get into the video. So I hope my beautiful handlers enjoy this video. Look at this hair. It's so gorgeous, even without the style. She opted for some braids in the front. Guys, remember to leave a like on this video. Share it with your friends and your family if you like. And remember, you can order one of these for yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. And I love you guys. See you in the next video. Mwah.